Before you can fill a part, you first have to mix the material. Use epoxy filler due to its proven corrosion protection properties. Once you've put on your gloves, open the epoxy filler and stir well. Then get a disposable cup ready. Pour in the EP filler, hardener, and reducer additive into the cup. Please note the manufacturer's mixing ratio. Stir the mixture until everything is well mixed. Then put the lid on the cup, then attach the disposable system onto the spray gun. Before you begin with the filling, clean the inside and the outside of the door with a tack cloth and compressed air. Once the door is clean, put on your mask and protective clothing. Take the prepared HVLP gun and set it to 2 bar of pressure. Refer to the manufacturer's technical data sheet for the correct nozzle size. Visit the website on screen for the recommended brands and products. Apply the first coat. Start with the edges, moving on to the surfaces. For the best results, work from top to bottom at an angle of 90 degrees and about 20 centimeters away from the door. Then do the first coat on the inside. After a short drying time, apply a second layer of filler on the outside. Once this layer has dried, you can push the door into the drying chamber. Please adhere exactly to the manufacturer's specified drying time. As a rule, that's 30 minutes at a temperature of 60 degrees. Depending on the cabin, that means an inlet temperature of 80 to 90 degrees. Take advantage of the drying time to clean the spray gun. Unscrew the nozzle head. Remove the pressure gauge. And fix the trigger lock with a clamp. Now you can place the HVLP gun into the cleaning machine and start the cleaning process. After the drying time of the door, the next step is to apply check powder onto the primed surface to make sure there are no imperfections. If everything's okay, then use a pad to sand the inside and the edges of the outside. Caution: be sure to avoid sanding through the layers. If you do go through, however, it's important to go over it again with the EP filler. For large areas on the outside, use the orbital sander again. And once again, please note the manufacturer's abrasive instructions. Once both sides have been lightly sanded, swap the sanding disc on the orbital sander for the fleece and remove the coarse sanding dust. Then once again blow the interior and exterior with compressed air and clean both sides so that the dust is completely removed. Now the part is ready for the paint room.